Ever heard a strange knocking sound coming from your car engine and wondered what's causing it? This unsettling noise, my friends, is what we call engine knocking. You see, it's a sound that emanates from your engine due to some irregularities during the combustion process. Imagine a well-orchestrated symphony, and suddenly one instrument is out of tune. That's what's happening inside your engine when you hear that knock. Engine knocking might sound harmless, but it can lead to serious engine damage if not addressed. So, what causes your car's engine to knock? The answer is it can be a number of things. One of the main culprits is a phenomenon known as water hammer. This is when water finds its way into the combustion chamber. Unlike fuel and air, water can't be compressed. This leads to impact within the chamber and can cause potential damage. Another cause of engine knocking is detonations in the combustion chambers, particularly when using low-octane fuel. The fuel can combust unevenly, leading to a knocking sound. Not all knocks are created equal, though. For instance, rod knocks are a serious issue that can cause significant engine damage. These occur when the rod connecting the piston to the crankshaft becomes loose or damaged. Lastly, a broken timing belt can also lead to engine knocking. The timing belt synchronizes the engine's functions. When it breaks, the engine's components can collide, leading to that dreaded knocking sound. These are just a few reasons why your engine might be knocking. But what can you do to prevent it? Preventing engine knocking is easier than you might think. The first step is regular maintenance. By ensuring your engine's components are in good shape, you reduce the risk of issues like rod knocks or a broken timing belt. Timely replacement of these components is equally crucial. Another way to prevent engine knocking is by using high-octane fuel. High-octane fuel combats those pesky detonations in the combustion chamber, keeping your engine running smoothly. Remember, a knocking engine is a sign that something's off, so don't ignore it. Take action and keep your engine running smoothly.